In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs in this wiper switch, fog light switch out of a Silverado Tahoe. First you got to get it out of the car, then you got to take it apart. As you can see, there's a clip here, clip on this side and this side here. I just take a flathead screwdriver and kind of push down on it a little bit. Just keep doing that on both sides here. Just kind of get it in there and work it out a little bit. Push down, and you can slowly work your way around this thing, and then you can get it to come out slowly and easily. Pull the cover off, set it aside. As you can see right off the bat, there's one bulb here. There's another one underneath this switch, so we need to get this apart. I found this easiest to just kind of lift this up, pull this out, make sure you don't lose your spring here, keep it there. And this one is the hard one to get out. You just got to kind of pry and go as you move along here. There's a little catch right here that you got to try to get this thing up and over and work this side of it and try to weasel it out of here nice and easy, like so. You get this out and you can pull the board straight out, and now you can see there's another bulb right here. This one's usually when it's out. I'll try my little thing here. Put power on here and on here. It appears that bulb's good, but that one back here is not. Let's see if I remember right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think if you put this just so, let's see, move these out of the way here so you can see. I think it's the 5th and 6th pin of this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I can't see what I'm doing with my big hand in a way. There, 4th and 5th will light the bulbs. As you can see, the one's coming on, the other one is not. So we need to replace that bulb. I think I'm just going to replace them both. Put this aside, and I'll get my soldering iron heated up and we'll replace them. Alright, let's see if we can get the bulbs out of here now. Get my soldering iron all fired up. My desoldering iron, I should say. Line this thing up here. See, get that bulb come right out. That one's gone. Get this one lined up. And out. Get that one out. Both of those are gone. Soldering iron back. And I'll put my new one in here, like so. Pin these pins down a little bit. Sit her down. Some solder. So those in place. Take a good look at it here. Make sure this works. Don't get too carried away. Power to that one. Then the other one we took out, I'm going to use a little smaller one so it'll fit in there just right. Pop that bulb right in there like this so. Bend these down. Get that bulb in there. Flip it over so I can solder it into place. Soldering iron here. And then just like so. See what I did out right there. Might be a little loose. There we go. Voila, we have light again. Yep, got light. So that switch is fixed. Now all we gotta do is put her back together. So grab this piece here, slide the bolt. Well, let me clean that up real quick. Cut these ends off that we don't need sticking out. Okay, now we'll take this and slide it back into place like so. Take this little gizmo, make sure that little valley's down where the bulb is. Just kind of put it in there like so. Push it till it clicks into place. Try not to lose it like I just did. Then take this and get it lined up back here where you can get it to twist around. Twist it around like that. Then simply put the plate back together. Get it back in there like so. Now this little booger should work if I remember which pins are which. And here it is, finished and working. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'll have a link in the description where you can get the bulbs. Thanks for watching. Bye.